Birds love to sing, but this is what happens when you sing to a bird.
No olhou, quando viu, perguntou: que é isso aqui? É muita crueldade, tirar a liberdade de bichinho assim. É o fim. Passarinho, se tem asa então é pra voar. A gaiola nunca foi teu ninho.
This guy calls himself the human nunchuck.
Hey, Kensington, human nunchuck.
Yep, look at that shit.
No.
Legendary, man. One of the best pool players out here, too.
This is called Jellyfish Lake and is located on a remote, uninhabited island in the Pacific Ocean. This saltwater lake is a perfect little utopian heaven for jellyfish. These little jellyfish are totally blocked off from the ocean, which means they have no predators to worry about, so they can just float around in this little lake forever. Does anyone know why Pluto is chasing this kid at Disneyland? Have you ever wanted to be Spider-Man? Well, now you can with something called a webcaster gun. It's pretty much just a glue gun with an air compressor, but it still looks pretty cool. Now this is pretty cool. I've never seen a carnival ride like this before. Some kid in high school had enough and started destroying everything.
What's the matter here? Oh yeah.
It's pretty cool to see how easy it is for airplane engines to suck in the moisture from the air. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better.